Hi team. COVID-19 is presenting some serious challenges to our operations here, and it's presenting some serious challenges to you personally. As your commander, I wanted to take a few minutes to tell you what we're doing to maintain our mission requirements and also to keep you safe. On the acquisition and procurement side, we are continuing to meet our objectives. We're continuing to award contracts. This is so important because it represents the future of naval aviation. Those products and services, all of the future capabilities that we need are being contracted now. It's also important to our defense industrial base. A lot of our lower tier suppliers are small companies, and they need these contracts to stay in business. We are continuing to meet our highest priority tests. One of the areas that we're seeing tremendous progress is in still being able to meet our weapons testing for the F-35. We've also just recently completed some separation testing on the F-18 for Harpoon Block 2. One of the areas where I think we can all be really proud is the flight deck certification for USS Ford. This was a tremendous undertaking. It was completed just a couple of weeks ago and is already being used to qualify the VAW and VFA pilots that are getting ready for deployment. This week, the training command is hitting USS Ford. We've already had our first T-45 arrestment using advanced arresting gear. The last area is our most important and our top mission priority, and that's the readiness of our deployed forces and the maintenance of those aircraft and support equipment that are getting ready to deploy. Our Fleet Readiness Center artisans are leading the charge. They continue to repair important components and to move aircraft down the heavy depot line that are getting ready to deploy. We're also sending out our engineers and our technicians and our artisans for in-service repairs. Where we can't be there in person, we're providing 24/7 in-service engineering and logistics support to units such as VUP-19 that are operating Triton over in Guam. Despite the challenges of a distributed workforce, our people are finding ways to get the job done with urgency and speed. In the fight against COVID-19, we're leveraging the technical talent across our workforce. The iHub at NAVAIR and our NAVAIR additive manufacturing team have gotten together to produce facial shields that are going to fleet priorities. We've also made facial shields in response to a FEMA request for first responders. So in addition to providing fleet priorities, we're also helping out our community, which I think we can all be really proud of. I want to tell you about the stand-up of our incident response team and the battle watch that was put together by our NAVAIR reservist. As usual, they identified a need quickly and then moved with lightning speed to stand up this battle watch. They're providing 24/7 incident response. They've been indispensable in shepherding information and establishing a centralized operations center. This is just another great example of how our workforce is really being creative and stepping up to the challenges that face us. Your health and safety is my #1 priority. For those that are required to work on site, I realize that you and your family members may have concerns. I want to ensure you that we are complying very strictly with CDC guidelines, including sanitizing workspaces, controlling access to facilities, wearing face masks, distributing the workforce by splitting into shifts. We've asked those that are at higher risk to stay home. We've also asked others to stay home just to thin out the spaces and reduce the risk for everyone. For those accomplishing the mission at home, our digital team is really working hard to make sure that you have the connectivity, the audio lines, the capabilities, and the tools to maximize productivity while working remotely. The challenges of COVID-19 are real, but they are not stopping us. Your dedication to mission is stronger than ever, and I am so proud to serve with you. So thank you. Please, stay safe, stay well, stay connected. Ask for help if you need it. Offer assistance to others. We will get through this and emerge stronger than ever. Thank you.